Hey, let's see how we can save some money on upgrading, and this time specifically with EBS volumes. So this section should be quite easy to understand and to fix. Let's dive in. So first, you have two upgrades available about EBS volumes. First is GP2 to GP3, which is the EBS General Purpose SSD. Say in most of the case, you're gonna save 20%. So why? Because if you see the price details here, for GP2, you're always paying 10 cents per GB month. And in GP3 storage, you're gonna pay only 8 cents GB per month. So you're gonna pay 20% less. But in GP3, you're also paying for IOPS and throughput, but you have a lot free, and that should cover most of the cases. For EO1 to EO2, it's kind of the same things. We don't know the percentage of savings because you have the same amounts here of volumes for EO1 and EO2, but for EO1, you are paying the maximum price for provision EOPS per month, which is the same price here for EO2. But if you have more EOPS, you're gonna pay less. So a little comparison here between EBS volumes. So you have your GP2 volumes here, GP3 here. You can see the difference, and the max throughput per volumes here is 4 times better for GP3 volumes than GP2. But you can see also that the max IOPS per volume, so the max number of input-output operations per second per volumes, is the same for GP2 and GP3, which is not the case here for IO1 and IO2. So you can see that the number for IO2 is far better than IO1. For prices, you're gonna save 20% here for GP3 over GP2 volumes. And after, if your instance have a lot of throughput and data, you're gonna save a bit less, but you're gonna save in most of the cases. For IO2, you can see that it's more efficient. So meaning you can put less IOPS max. And so that's a way you can save some money. To detect GP2 and IO1, you can use AWS billing. So simply go to the billing service, then build section. If you select Elastic Compute Cloud and region and go to EBS, you can search for GP2 and IO1 line. So for example, here you have your GP3 line and your GP2 line. So you know you are paying this much for GP2 and you know that you can save 20%. To find them all, you can use Cost Optimization Hub, for example. If you click on Savings Opportunities and then filter your resource type by EBS volumes and your recommended action by upgrade, you can see all your estimated monthly savings. So it shows that you can upgrade GP2 to GP3 and that you're gonna save 20%. You can also search for Compute Optimizer. To fix it, it's really easy. So you simply have to upgrade your EBS volumes. So to do that, you go in EC2 service, then volume section. You can filter by type to get all your GP2 volumes, and you select one volume, then you click on action and modify here, and you simply change the volume type. So this change is very easy because it is managed in background by AWS, and so there is no downtime during this change.